Okay, on the Apalachicola at the Bristol Bluffs. I'll show you something. So we've got a big sand formation. This is what the bluff is. You got the white sand, yellow sand down bottom, gray sand. I associate it with hardwoods up there, but I'll show you something kind of neat. There's wood everywhere washing out. It's real black, looks like it's been burnt. Bunch of it right in there. See that big log right there? And look at that big old log sticking out of the bank up there. Looks like somebody sawed it off. Probably just broke that way, but all kind of wood underneath it. It's just scattered all through here. It's not petrified. See a good piece sticking out right there. Real black, a bunch of it right here. That looks like a pine. It's all washing out of that bank right there. Bunch of it up there. I didn't see any plants or anything in the. Look at all of it sticking out of that bank right there. Up there, right there. That's a new one there. That's a pretty little waterfall, but I haven't found any plant remains in there, in that sand. So it's a little bit different than Allen Bluff when it comes to stuff like that, because that same, looks like the same layer at Allen Bluff. It has all the palmettos and stuff like that in it. But that's the Bristol Bluff. I don't see anything up there. Pretty though. Too bad it's not much more wood laying down there. There's some hard, looks like lime rock right there, which is kind of unusual for Liberty County, northern Liberty County anyway, until you get up around Allen Bluff or Torrey State Park, the bigger bluffs. Good strata there. See how it's been uplifted or something. I don't think Florida's supposed to have geological lifting, but that sure looks like it to me, the way that it's going uphill. Our kid just been like a beach dune. More than likely what it is. There's more logs up there in the bank. Another big one right there sticking out. But it's just all over the place up here. So I'm going to go look for some more stuff. So see y'all later.